In this video, I'm going to show you how to create an Apple Configurator profile and walk through the different types of Apple Configurator profiles that can be created. There are only 3 types of profiles which can be created under Apple Configurator. The first type is without user affinity. The second type is user affinity with authentication method set to Setup Assistant. When you choose this profile, you have the option to install Company Portal. The third type is user affinity with authentication method set to Company Portal. In this, the Company Portal gets installed by default. We don't go into deep on when to use which profi. These profiles are similar to automated device enrollment profiles. You can check my AD video to understand which profile to use when. Let's get in action. To get started, navigate to Devices, then Device Onboarding, then Enrollment, then Apple Configurator, then Profiles. Let's create userless profile. Click Create, give name and description as you like, and click Next. For user affinity, choose Enrollment without user affinity. Click Next. Review the profile and click Create. Let's create user enrollment with Setup Assistant's authentication profile. Click Create, give name and description as you like, and click Next. For user affinity, choose Enrollment with user affinity. For authentication method, choose Setup Assistance. For Install Company Portal, choose Yes or No, depending on how we'd like to workplace join. Click Next. Review the profile and click Create. Let's create user enrollment with Company Portal authentication profile. Click Create, give name and description as you like, and click Next. For user affinity, choose Enrollment with user affinity. For authentication method, choose Company Portal. Click Next. Review the profile and click Create. That is all for this video on Apple Configurator profiles. If you found this helpful, please like this video and subscribe to Modern Auth Enrollment for more tutorials on Intune and Apple device management. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.